So there was a lot that went on in the markets this week. This past Monday, I did a free live session, just literally talking about what was going to happen because I seen Sunday night in the futures market, there was a major sell-off. And so when I woke up Monday morning, the S&P, the Dow, and the Nasdaq futures were all down. Like the Nasdaq was I think it was down over like 1,000 points. And so because I was able to look at the data and see that the long-term trend was still up and that the VIX was spiking, I knew that this sell-off was going to be temporary. And I also knew that the sell-off was going to be temporary because historically in August, every year the market has a sell-off or a retracement. And that's primarily because most of the world is not necessarily trading and or investing during that time because they're focused on getting their kids back in school, might be moving into a new place, and people move in the summer towards the end of the summer. All of those things are historical data facts that most professional investors and traders know because they do the research, the back test, and understand the data, right? So because there's a lot going on in the world, I hopped in on that session and I said, hey, look, this is the time where rich and wealthy people double and triple their wealth because they have cash sitting on the side and they're waiting for these dips like this to use that dry powder to go in and buy long-term assets on sale. So when you see these sell-offs and you see the media and the TVs talking about all of this and it generates panic sales, the rich and wealthy are sitting there licking their chops. And that's exactly what happened. Literally the very next day, Tuesday, it was reported that Wall Street spent over $14 billion on buying stocks and longer term assets that people were panic selling just a day ago. And that's one of the major differences between the have and the have nots, the know and the do not know, is the information, the access, the data, understanding history and understanding how the financial markets work. And that's a lot of what I want people to understand is that trading and investing not only helps you build your bag up and grow your wealth, but it also is a mindset to how you look and see the world.